just purely as a scientific question, I find infectious disease really fascinating. It's a problem of biology, and then at the same time, it's a problem about humans and how humans interact and how humans move and how humans behave with each other. In order to understand the pattern of infectious disease, you need to understand both the basic biology of what's going on inside somebody, and you need to understand what's happening at a broader social level. So those kind of that mix of challenges is something that I found very attractive. But then at the same time, disease isn't just a scientific question, it is a really important humanistic question. And the way that we tell stories about infectious disease is really important. I mean, disease makes people feel vulnerable. And when people feel vulnerable, they have a tendency to resort to telling stories that maybe aren't so constructive or helpful. We blame people for catching infectious diseases. We characterize diseases as coming from particular populations or from particular parts of the world in a way that is inaccurate, in a way that can be deeply prejudicial. And it's really important that we tell, because disease is, the way we talk about disease can often be discriminatory, it's really important to be telling accurate stories about what disease is, where it comes from, how it spreads.
Wow. I mean, that's great because it's kind of exactly sort of that speaks to why I'm interested in these things as well. These human stories, how populations or individuals react to disease, because it is this, can be this terrifying unknown thing. And we don't necessarily always have, the right tools to deal with that.